Thinking about giving your kitchen a modern makeover? Imagine cooking in a space that not only meets your functional needs, but also radiates contemporary elegance. A kitchen remodel can do just that, transforming the heart of your home into a place of beauty and efficiency. This is about more than just a fresh coat of paint. It's about custom cabinets designed to maximize your storage, sleek countertops that are as durable as they are stylish, an eye-catching backsplash that makes a statement, and flooring that seamlessly ties everything together. The result? A kitchen that not only boosts your home's value, but also enhances your everyday living experience. Stay tuned to learn the key steps involved in remodeling your kitchen. The first step towards a successful kitchen remodel is choosing the right contractor. This decision can be the difference between a kitchen you love and a project fraught with headaches. So, what should you consider when selecting your contractor? First, make sure they have the necessary licenses and insurance. This is about more than just ticking boxes. It's about ensuring that they meet professional standards and that you're protected in case of any mishaps. Next, take a good look at their portfolio. This will give you an insight into their style, workmanship, and ability to handle projects similar to yours. Remember, pictures can tell 1,000 words. Don't forget to check out client feedback too. Positive reviews and testimonials can be a strong indicator of a contractor's reliability and quality of work. But there's more to it than just credentials and reviews. A great contractor is one who listens, shares your vision, and stands by their word. They'll be your partner throughout the journey, bringing your dream kitchen to life while ensuring a smooth and stress-free process. Remember, a reliable contractor can turn your dream kitchen into a reality. Once you've chosen a contractor, it's time to dive into the remodeling process. Imagine this as an exciting journey, where every step brings you closer to your dream kitchen. We start with custom cabinets, the heart of any kitchen. With expert guidance, you'll choose the style, material, and finish that best express your taste. Remember, cabinets aren't just about aesthetics. They also provide valuable storage space. Next, we move on to countertops. Whether you prefer the natural beauty of granite, the sleek shine of stainless steel, or the eco-friendly appeal of recycled materials, your countertops will serve as a durable and eye-catching work surface. Once the cabinets and countertops are chosen, it's time to consider the backsplash. This is where your creativity can really shine. From classic subway tiles to bold, colorful mosaics, the backsplash is an opportunity to add a unique touch to your kitchen. Finally, we select the flooring. This foundation underfoot should be robust, easy to clean, and of course, beautiful. Whether you opt for timeless hardwood, practical tile, or something else entirely, your flooring will tie the entire kitchen together. Throughout this process, your contractor will prove invaluable. They bring expertise, project management skills, and quality workmanship to the table, ensuring a smooth transformation from old to new. They'll handle the logistics, troubleshoot any issues, and ensure the final result is a kitchen that not only looks modern, but functions flawlessly. With careful planning and the right contractor, your kitchen will soon be the modern, functional space you've always dreamed of. As you journey through the remodeling process, having a team of experts by your side can make all the difference. This is where cutting-edge cabinetry comes into play. Located in West Haven, Utah, they are specialists in transforming kitchens into modern, functional spaces. No matter your style or preference, their team of professionals will guide you through the selection of cabinets, countertops, backsplashes, and flooring, ensuring the final result is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and durable. They bring a wealth of experience, project management skills, and a commitment to quality workmanship to every project they undertake. If you're ready to embark on your kitchen remodeling journey, don't hesitate to reach out to the talented team at Cutting Edge Cabinetry. They're ready to bring your kitchen dreams to life. Remember, a modern, functional kitchen is only a phone call away, so why wait? Contact Cutting Edge Cabinetry in West Haven, Utah today and take the first step towards a kitchen you'll love for years to come.